Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching. So in today's video I have something a little bit different for you. So I did say previously that I do want to start doing reviews and also to switch up the video so it's not all makeup tutorials. So this is perfect timing because Project Lip got in touch with me and asked if I wanted to review their products. I've never tried their products before, so I thought this was perfect timing. So they sent me the Project Lip Plumping Kit, so I'll be trying this today. So this has the lip mask, the lip scrub and also the matte plumping primer as well. I'm basically just going to be showing you before and after. Also my honest thoughts, although they sent it to me, this isn't a sponsorship or anything. I'm literally just going to let you know what it's like and also you can see for yourself as well. So they also sent me the Plump and Gloss. The plump and colour as well, so we've got a few colour choices to choose from, but before that we're going to prep the lips. So they do recommend prepping them beforehand, so scrubbing them, doing the mask, because obviously when your lips are hydrated they naturally look a little bit more plump anyway. If you've got really dry, like crusty lips, they almost like shrivel up. So especially for me, I get really dry lips, so I have to make sure I really hydrate them before any sort of lip product anyway. So these products are to naturally enhance your lips. They do have that like ingredient in that kind of makes your lips tingle and kind of plumps them slightly. Some people don't like that feeling. I personally don't really mind if you've ever tried any of those glosses before. It obviously comes in this little pouch and then you get a kind of like how-to as well, which is really helpful. So it obviously says step 1, exfoliate your lips. So we're going to exfoliate first. So this is the lip scrub here. So I really like lip scrubs because my lips are always dry and they are constantly getting, you know, where it goes like a little bit flaky. I know that's like really gross, but they always do that. Even in the summer, no matter how much water I drink, I always get dry lips. So I really like using lip scrubs like before my lip products anyway. I mean, it's important to like exfoliate your lips anyway, especially if you're going to go in with like a matte lip or whatever, because they're just going to like, the lipstick's just going to cling to the dry areas. Okay, so that is the lip scrub all off now, so I will show you a close-up of it after. It's definitely made a difference in making it not look as like dry. But yeah, they feel really nice and smooth. So the next step is to prep the pout. So we're going to prep it now with the lip mask. So it's collagen infused hydrogel lip mask. So it nourishes and conditions to smooth out your lips. So it says to leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm going to pop this on and then just chill on my phone for a little bit for it to do its thing. So you just peel it off like so, and then literally just pop it on. Okie-dokie. Right, it's been 15 minutes. I've just been watching TikTok and trying not to laugh with this lip mask on. Okay, so it says to remove and pat lips to absorb excess serum. So finally, for step 3, we'll be using the matte lip plumping primer. So this is the one that tingles. So this is the exciting bit. So now that we've done all of our steps to prep, hydrate, we're going to try this and see what it's like. And also finally eat my crisp now that that mask is off. So it says the matte matte, oh my god, I can't speak. So the matte plumping primer says it primes, plumps and hydrates all in one, working with the lip's own collagen to enhance and give a plumper, more defined lip. And also, in case you're wondering, the lip plumping kit is £24.95, so you get all 3 products within this kit, but they do also sell them separately as well. And then the lip plumping matte primer. So again, I really like the packaging, really simple and sleek. So the matte lip I can't say that. The matte lip plumping primer is £12.95. Okay, so like I said earlier, this is the one that tingles. So we'll see how long it takes to actually work its magic. I quite like the fact that it hydrates your lips as well as giving that like tingly plumping feeling. It's obviously meant to prep your lips, so you could use it before lipstick. Also, we'll try it before the lip colours and the lip gloss as well. I'm just going to try out all three and do the whole shebang. Let's go. Oh my god, it's tingling already. Tingle straight away. Okay, so I'm obviously gonna kind of leave that to do its magic for a few minutes, and then I'll check back in and show you the after. So also as well to mention that the lip plumping primer, it says you can use this for 28 days and you actually notice like long lasting effects. So I think I'm definitely going to give that a go and try it out every day for 28 days, and I'll let you know in another video. But it does say that 84% of people noticed plumper appearance to their lips after doing the 28 challenge. So that's quite interesting that like the more you use it, the kind of more naturally plump your lips look. Okay, so I've had it on for a few minutes now, and it says, I've just noticed as well, it says to press your lips together to activate. So when you do that, you can feel it working more. Oh my god, that's so weird. So the second step in this plumping routine, we're going to use the Plump and Colour. So as I said earlier, this one does tingle as well, so we're just going to go for all three. So I have the colour Bear, and these lip colours are £14. And again, they're in the same kind of packaging as the matte why can't I say that? The matte lip plumping primer. So I like how like sleek and small it is. You could easily just slip this into your clutch bag if you wanted. And again, it's got the same sort of applicator as before. I'm just going to swatch this here so you can see. So it's a nice nudie brown with like a pink undertone. So the more you kind of build it up, the more opaque it is. That's like one swipe. But yeah, really nice everyday colour. So that is in the shade Bear. They also sent me the shade Dare as well. So let's have a look at this colour, see which one I prefer. So that one is more of a pinky tone. So I'm definitely going to go with the more nudie brown. I'll show you the close-up. So my lips are still quite dry if you notice, but that's not necessarily the product's fault. I think my lips are just extra dry anyway. But the lip colour feels nice and hydrating. So now we're going to use the Plump and Gloss now. So I really like a glossy lip from day to day. And also gloss makes your lips look a little bit bigger anyway, from where the shine kind of hits your lips, just making them stand out a little bit more. So I've got two different glosses, so these are £14 as well. So I've got the shade Addicted, which is kind of a pinky brown gloss, and then we've got the shade Tingle, which just seems like a clear gloss with a nice like gold speckled finish to it. I think I'm going to go with the clear one, just because I prefer to wear clear gloss. So when I wear gloss, I do like to put it on like the edge of the lip, because when the light hits it, it just makes it look more prominent. So the gloss has made a huge difference, but like I said, I do put it over the top slightly, so obviously that's going to make it look more plump. But I definitely feel like the Cupid's bow and the bottom lip look more like prominent, like I said. But yeah, I definitely feel like it's made a subtle difference. But if I was going to wear them again, I'd definitely wear them over like another lip product, because I wish the lipstick had just a bit more pigment. But I feel like on their own, if they look like this and you wear them, say with a lip liner, it's going to make your lips look even more enhanced. But yeah, it's definitely great for someone who just want that extra little plumpness, and I'm definitely going to try the 28-day challenge as well. So I'll check back in with you for that. Obviously, they're great products to keep in your bag if you want to top them up. It does say it does last up to 6 hours, but you could obviously go out for the day. And I mean, I would carry my gloss with me anyway. So the fact that you can pop this on and get a little bit of an extra plump whilst you're out is really good. But yeah, I definitely feel like they say what they're going to do. They naturally enhance your lips. They're not going to give you like, you know, lips where you've just had them done by bloody lip filler. And they're really accessible as well because you can get them at Beauty Bay, Pretty Little Thing, Urban Outfitters as well, or you can just go directly to their website. So I will leave all of their details in the description down below if you are interested in checking them out. And I'll also check back in with you with the 28-day challenge as well, because apparently it's meant to like work with the natural collagen in your lips to like make them more plump. So yeah, we'll definitely check back in to see how that works, because that's quite interesting. Because I mean, maybe I'll get my lips done one day, but this will do for now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know if you want to see more reviews from me, and also comment down below, let me know what you thought if you've used Project Lip as well, or let me know if you thought it made a difference to my lips. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you are new here, and you'll see me in my next one. Bye!